Hey everybody, it's Neil, and today I'm going to show you guys this thing here. This is the WiseLiving, and I was buying some other things, some bug zappers and some other stuff that these guys make, and they make all sorts of different light products. I'm like, this thing looks cool. It was a projector, and like 4th of July is coming up, and there's all these holidays, so it's like a holiday projector that projects stuff. So we're going to check this thing out, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to actually show you right now, but what I'll do is I'll have like a little video screen going in the corner here or here of me shining it on my wall or something so you can see how it works, but I'll at least show you how to unbox it and put it together. So this is what it is here. So we're gonna put these little instructions here and check this thing out. It comes with a stake for the ground, so we can have it staked in the ground, or I'm guessing this one here is to have it tabletop. So it comes with 2 different options, or 3 different options. So then we have this one here too. So 3 different ways of doing it. And this is the projector. I used to have one of these things, and it just wasn't very bright, and it was just really, it was probably a $5 thing. It was super cheap. So we're gonna check out this one here and see how it works. Looks pretty robust. It looks like it's got a disco ball even on there too. And it comes with the obligatory Christmas light kind of, when the screw it on kind of thing. I've always seen these things with these different Christmas light things. I don't know if they're like interchangeable or not, or if it just is like that for security of some sort. I don't know, I wonder. But whatever, it comes with its own power adapter. I don't think I've ever had a power adapter really go bad. But okay, so let's check this thing out here. Let's open it up. Undo the wire. And I have a plug behind me. Hopefully it'll work. Upside down. There you go. So I am plugged in. Ooh, and it went on. Oh man, I can even see it here. Oh, maybe you can see it back there, upside down. So there's the Christmas one. So maybe I will even just show it this way without even up in the corner. And let's see what happens if I push the buttons. Oh, it's changing the nebula effect around it to different colors. And then let's see if I want to change. So that's what happens when I push the button just once. And if I hold the button down, I think it's going to change the holidays. Is that it? No, maybe not. Let's see. Turn clockwise. Oh, I have to turn up here to adjust the holidays. So that was on and off. So let's see. So happy 4th of July. Very nice. And happy Halloween. And fireworks. I guess you could use that one for New Year's or 4th of July as well. What does it say? Happy New Year. You'd think I could read backwards. And there's another Christmas one, another Christmas one. So we've got several different holidays in here. Very cool. I like this thing. And it's super bright. I mean, you can see it here in the day. I've got the light shining on me, and it's still shining. So this is gonna be great, especially at night. I'm just gonna try it across the room here and see how it looks. Oh yeah, totally. I can totally see it across there. I can, but you guys can't. Haha, here, I'll show you guys. So let's see if you guys can see that. There, happy 4th of July. See, that's pretty big. So that's gonna be kind of fun. I like it. So, wow, if I shine it on you, it's super bright. And then that's pretty cool with that little nebula kind of thing going on too with different colors. So I like this. So I'm gonna say thumbs up for me, and I can feel it like it vibrates a little bit, I guess, as it's cooling itself down in the light because it's so bright. But I like it, so, and let me see how it hooks up here. Oh, that's, okay, so it really only has 2 mounts. So you put this thing on here, so that'll have the base for it, and then you can plug this into this to go into the ground, or put it into here if you just want a tabletop one. So that's what that's for. So I'm not gonna snap it into place just yet because, or actually, I guess, well, I won't, because I want to put it back in the box for now because the 4th of July is still another month away. But it's very cool, and it's by Wisely. So I'm going to put a link to this in the description. Be sure to pick one of these things up. This is going to be fun. And like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.